The defending Copa America champions have made it to the finals once more of Copa America by beating Peru 1-0 in the semi-finals. But the scoreline, interesting part is, scoreline could have been anything. It could have been 4-0 in favor of Brazil. It could have been 1-1 and it could have gone to the penalties, and I don't know who would have won. It could have been anything. How did it happen? It was a game of two halves, but the one man again who impressed a lot, and Brazil has to thank him for the win, is Neymar. Because see, in the first half it was complete dominance by Brazil, but the goal which Brazil finally managed to get was due to Neymar's class. Richarlison, after getting a ball in the middle of the park, gave a brilliant through to Neymar on the left, released Neymar on the left. Neymar entered the box, and there were three players from the left. He entered the box. There were three players who were at his back, and at that point of time he couldn't have crossed because he had to negate them. He negated the final player, he negated with a nutmeg, or rather I should say a half nutmeg, because he was doing his inside outside and all that, and when he nutmegged, the ball struck one leg of the defender and fell for him, didn't go through his legs, instead it fell for him nicely, and he could cross to a unmarked Lucas Paqueta, who also scored in the last match in the quarterfinals, and Paqueta just had to place the ball in the empty net, and that's what the goal which made Brazil the winner of the game. But in the first half, Brazil created so many other chances, and their attacking half was very much involved. Lucas Paqueta was the provider in a lot of occasions. He released Richarlison in one of the moves where Richarlison was one-on-one with the goalkeeper but couldn't round off the goalkeeper, gave a pass to Neymar, who was in a good goal scoring position, but Neymar blasted over. Then again Lucas Paqueta, with a brilliant flick from Casemiro, made a cross into the box which Neymar hit from point blank range 2 yards out from the goal, but the goalkeeper Pedro Galés saved it, and the rebound fell to Richarlison, which was again saved by Pedro. So that were two great chances. Casemiro with one long ranger parried away by goalkeeper Pedro, one free kick from a long distance, again beautiful free kick, again was parried away by the goalkeeper. There was Everton cutting inside, taking a shot on his left foot. All these things were happening. 8 shots on target for Brazil, and most of those came in the first half only. That's why I say this scoreline should have and could have been 3-0 or 4-0. But in the second half, it was all Peru. Peru attacked with force. Rezel Garcia was introduced, and he made good link-ups with the striker Lapadula, sorry for the mistake, and Lapadula got a beautiful shot on target, just like Everton did, by cutting in from the right after getting a brilliant through ball from the middle of the park. But Ederson was brilliant with a two-handed save at the far post. And then there was Rezel Garcia with a long ranger, which was very troublesome for Ederson because the ball just bounced in front of him, but he managed to get it away. But the biggest chance fell to Alexander Callens at the dying moments of the game, when there was a free kick and Ederson had come off his line, and there was a free header. Literally, he had to just keep it inside the goal, inside the frame, and it would have been 1-1, but he just headed it outside. That's why, apart from that, there were no more threatening chances from Peru, but because Brazil couldn't increase their lead, there was always this chance of one goal. The match was just one goal away from Peru, but finally they didn't create many goal scoring chances, and that's why Brazil escaped. The first half performance gave them the win. Now we have to see whether Argentina, their arch rivals, whether they are able to beat Colombia in the other semi-final and make it a star-studded final. We have to wait and see. But in this game, again, a Neymar magic, the sleek football, sleek skills has taken Brazil to the final one more time. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, like the video in all the social media accounts, and also please hit the bell icon for all notifications, because you will be getting those notifications once we upload a video. For now, I'll take your leave. Bye bye.